How's it going, everyone? Before the video starts, I just wanted to say a few things. The first thing is I want to thank my friend Lynette for letting me build her computer. Having her trust me do vinyl wrapping and etching for her computer is pretty cool because I did struggle quite a lot when I was doing this. Each of the design, it took me 2 or 3 tries just to get it cut out perfectly, and then putting it on the case also took 2 or 3 tries. So that actually pushed the build, I would say, like 2 or 3 hours late. So that's why there's no benchmarks in this video, because one, I ran out of time. Two, I wasn't actually ready for it. I didn't know that I didn't have a USB for Windows, so I couldn't install Windows. So that means I can't actually benchmark anything. But nonetheless, this is still a really good video. I love how it turned out. My editor did such a good job making the montage. So yeah, hope y'all enjoy it. Thank you again to my friend. And next time there'll be benchmarks, hopefully. All right, enjoy.